Aloha, my name is Kevin Kimball from BYU, Hawaii. The purpose of this video is to answer a question that came from someone who'd watched a prior video that I posted on YouTube, but it's how to compute the, I assume, monthly payment for a loan of a given amount over a given period at a fixed rate. That came about, the reason I'm answering this question is because here on YouTube I had already posted a video about computing present value of future payments using HP12-C, and one of the comments recently was, hey, this was helpful, but how about this? I've got a certain loan amount, amortization period, fixed rate, and it needs to solve for the monthly payment. So I figured I might as well go ahead and answer that for you, and we'll put that back up here. So in this case, the loan amount, or the loan amount in this case was 348,750. And you tell the computer that that is the present value because it's what the amount is now. In future, if this is a fully amortizing loan, 30 years from now should then be 0. Next thing, it says it's a 30-year loan, but if this is a home loan, then really it's you need to take this 30 years and multiply it by 12 to get the monthly number of periods. And so we're going to hit the G key and 12x, so now it's effectively 360 periods. That's 360 monthly periods, and that's your N number of periods. And then finally you have 7.25. That's your annual interest rate, but since we're doing a monthly amortization in this case, we could then go to the G key and divide that number by 12, and that's your monthly interest rate. So now you have your number of periods, your interest rate, as well as the present value. You can then hit PMT, which is payment. So in this case, that loan, let's say that's a home loan, for example, you'd be paying $2,379.09, and you probably still couldn't buy a home here in Laie, Hawaii, but that's what the loan would be. I thought I might as well also show this in Excel. Let me just show you what I've done here. I'll put these in again. Let's say, so if you're using Excel, you can put in those numbers. You put in the loan amount, which is 348,750. The period is 30 years, and the rate is, I'm going to put it in as 0.0725 here, and then I formatted it with the percentage, so it's 7.25. And now I use the built-in function PMT, which does the same thing that your HP12-C does. As you can see, I need the rate first. Take that rate, but I'm going to divide it by 12 to get a monthly rate. Take your number of periods, which is 30 years, but I need to multiply by 12 to get total months. And then your present value is 348,750, and you finish it up. And 2379.09. And if you recall, that's exactly the same answer that you got with your HP12-C, so either way works. I tend to like both of them, but if you wanted to then build the amortization schedule showing each of the 360 payments, I think you're better off using Excel. So hopefully that's helpful to you, and aloha!